Hello, this is a 2005 Honda Accord Hybrid. If you're having a problem hearing a booming noise while you're driving, usually when the RPMs are around 700 RPMs, you will hear a booming, humming sound like. So I will show you how to fix it. It's easy. You gotta press this button right here, the skip forward button, and then the channel up bottom right here at the same time, and then you gotta press the power volume button right here. So I will do that, and I'm gonna pause the video to show you what it looks like. So I already pressed the skip forward button and the channel up bottom at the same time, and then press the volume power button twice till I see this screen right here, the diagnostic screen. So when you saw that, you gotta go here and press the scan button till you see ANC off, but at the same time you gotta hear the booming noise that you hear while you're driving. So you gotta press the scan button till you see and hear the booming noise. So press it, one, and right there A and C is off, and now I can hear the booming noise. If you don't hear it, that means that you gotta press it twice again till you hear it. Okay, remember the car gotta be off. Alright, now when you hear that noise, you gotta start your car like you normally do, and that should fix your problem.